Hello, I'm Charlie. Welcome to the channel. Today I have a Ford Fiesta 2008 model. Basically, customer saying there is a noise coming somewhere. I took it to the road test. Then I feeling bearing not right. I'm not sure the which bearing. Then I jack up the car, go with one by one wheel. Then finally I'm ending with here, passenger side rear. This wheel bearing bit noisy. I'm going to show you step by step how to do the rear wheel bearing on Ford Fiesta. Need to jack up the car. Lower the handbrake. When I spin, you can hear the noise. This is the bearing noise. It bit noisy. Here, time to change it. It's faulty bearing. Definitely, it's a faulty bearing. Going to remove tire. Need to remove that dust cap. $30 mm not there. Need to remove. It's bit stuck. I'll show you easy way to remove that drum. First need to tire in. Just put it to nut. Hand tight. Then after that you can wiggle the wheel. Then automatically drum come out. Right, is drum out. I'm going to remove the tire again. Just wiggle and pull, it will come out. Yeah, it's out. This is the new bearing. New pack come with the ABS ring. This is the ABS ring. This is the new bearing. This is the ABS ring, dust cap, circlip and hub nut. All come with the one set. Now I'm going to remove ABS ring. It's jumped. This is the old ABS ring. Now need to remove circlip. There is a special tool remove circlip. If you have a like this special tool, it's a bit handy. Oops, that one also jumped. Careful when you work with safety first. Then need to remove bearing come out from the same side like where the circlip remove. I'm going to remove all bearing. Yeah, all bearing pop out. This is the all bearing. And leave it at side because I'm going to reuse that all bearing to press in new one. Apply little bit grease around that area. This is universal bearing grease. apply a little bit inside also. Well, don't going to apply too much. New one push in like this, and after that old bearing leave top of the new bearing. It's ready to press in. Make sure all around going in nicely. Nearly there. Press until it's getting hard. You feel what I'm saying when you do the job. Once it's hard, stop pressing. This is the old bearing. Now I need to circuit back. Once it in, just tap with flat screwdriver, make sure all in. Next step, I need to install ABS ring back. I'm going to use piece of wood like this. Hammer very slowly and gently side to side. Do it very gently. Make sure all around in nicely. Yes, all in. Just tap surround that area. Make sure all in. Yeah, it's all in. Now I'm going to reinstall drum. It's little bit tight, just press in. Going to install hub nut. It's 30 mm nut. Make sure after tightening nut, this dust cap put back. Yeah, all done. Now I have to put tire back. Hand tighten first. After that, I'm going to use the gun. Nearly there. Thanks for watching. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors. If you have any question, comments, please mention below. I'm happy to reply your all comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe us. Press bell icon below. Then you can get our new videos. Thanks again. See you with another video.